In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable text chat on Roblox if it is currently not showing. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you don't know, Roblox recently added text chat in an update, but a lot of players still don't see it even after updating. I actually had the same issue, and I found a quick fix that does work instantly. Begin by launching Roblox on any device, whether it's your PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox, PC, or even mobile, and go ahead and navigate to the settings by clicking the three dots in the top right and then hitting settings. And just make sure that you have cross-platform play and it's turned on. If it's already enabled for you, simply go ahead and leave it just like so. And then go ahead and load into a game and text chat should be working. Now if the text chat still doesn't appear in game, try logging into Roblox on a different device or a different platform. For example, I can log into my PC and start a game, and the text chat feature instantly appeared in the top left corner of the screen. After text chat is activated on your account, it's going to stay enabled. So when you go back to playing on your original device like your PS5, it's going to go ahead and stay on there. This method worked for me, so give it a try and let me know if it works for you too. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.